How to delete the t-shirt you made in Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox and log into your account. After that, at the top, you'll find Create. Click on Create at the top. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. And here, on the left side, click on Creations. After you have clicked on Creations, in here, click on Avatar Items. After you have clicked on Avatar Items, scroll down in here and click on Clothing. In Clothing, you'll find T-shirt, and below it, you'll find the T-shirt that you have made. Then simply click on the T-shirt. After you click on the t-shirt, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. There's no one way to delete t-shirt. So what you can do is turn it off and make sure it's not on sale. After you have done that, you're good to go. This is how to delete the t-shirt you made in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment